One of the spookiest things on my trip when I go visit my mom and dad is in a town called Heath Springs. I've always had questions about this little stop, but like I said, it's in Heath Springs, South Carolina, as you see here at this Greyhound bus stop. Guess what? It's not a bus stop. It's just a mock-up, right? This is not an actual bus stop. Let's look inside. See, the windows are all blackened out. Something else that's spooky about this place. There's an outhouse right between the bus stop and the Heath Springs Golf. Guess what? That's not a Heath Springs Golf. It's all just made. Isn't that Twilight Zone-ish? Look at that. Isn't that also scary? Here at the Heath Springs Golf. Gas is $38, $33, and 29 cents. And this exists not just because it's Halloween season, it's spooky season. This exists all the time. See that man standing there in the Golf? Guess what? Just a mannequin. Want to see closer? Zoom in. Look at there. Hey, Barney. Okay, let's go around. It's like his eyes are following me. Barney. His eyes are following me. Let's read the sign. What? Is that something they used to say? Heath Springs. You should stop through. It's like an homage to decades gone by. Welcome to the Twilight Zone, honey. Look at the dummy, the mannequin, just guarding the place all the time. Don't worry, no one's gonna steal your gas. Why such an elaborate setup? I've always wondered if anybody knows anything about the Heath Springs Golf and bus stop and why it's set up. I don't know, maybe this was what it looked like years ago. But I want to know this story. And who is Barney there in the window? I want to know that story. So I did look it up. Turns out this is an historical landmark in Heath Springs, South Carolina. This Heath Springs Golf is what they call a vintage gas station. Isn't that cool? Now we know.